Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Naperville around 4:25 p.m. Romeoville around 4:30 p.m. Bolingbrook, Woodridge, and Warrenville around 4:35 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Westmont, Lau, Darien, and Clarendon Hills around 4:40 p.m. Lombard, Carroll Stream, Glendale Heights, Glen Ellen, Oak Brook, Villa Park, and Winfield around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Crystal Lawns, Oak Brook Terrace, and York Center, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 254 and 269. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 138. Interstate 355 between mile markers 13 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 030.